Hello. This time on Quick Tips, we're going to look at the special effects that can be applied in Apple's Messages app. Let's go. There are 13 different effects that can be used to add eye candy to your messages when using iOS 12 or later on an iPhone or iPad. Here's how you access them. First, with Messages open, enter some text. We'll type hello and then force press the blue upward arrow to the right. Here's the effects screen. At the top you can see two categories, bubble and screen. Let's look at each of the four bubble effects first. First we have slam, then loud, next is gentle, and last, invisible ink. Messages sent with that effect will be hidden until touched by the recipient. Now let's look at screen effects. There are 9. The first is send with echo, then swipe to see send with spotlight, swipe right to left again to see send with balloons, then we have send with confetti, send with love, number 6 is send with lasers, next send with fireworks, number 8 is send with shooting star. And last we have send with celebration. Once you've decided, touch the blue upward arrow to send your message with the effect, or press the X to return to the composed message screen. So, that's 13 special effects that you can add to your messages on your iOS devices. Now, go have fun with them. Join me next time for another Quick Tips. Bye!